Virtual fences are a new technology that allows ranchers to control their cattle without using physical fences. Instead, they use GPS collars, solar-powered towers, and software to create invisible boundaries that can be adjusted remotely. How do virtual fences work? The GPS collars track the location of each cow and communicate with the towers. The software allows the rancher to draw virtual fences on a map and assign them to different herds. When a cow approaches a virtual fence, it receives an audio warning from the collar. If it ignores the warning and crosses the fence, it gets a mild electric shock. The shock is similar to a static electricity zap and does not harm the animal. Over time, the cows learn to respect the virtual boundaries and respond to the audio cues. Why are virtual fences beneficial? Virtual fences have many advantages over traditional fences. They are cheaper and easier to install and maintain. They are more flexible and adaptable to changing conditions and needs. They are more environmentally friendly and wildlife friendly, as they reduce habitat fragmentation, soil erosion, and water pollution. They also allow for better grazing management, as the rancher can move the cattle to different pastures and control their access to water and feed sources. Virtual fences are not only a smart way to reform the cattle industry, but also a way to save the environment by reducing greenhouse gas emissions, enhancing biodiversity, and restoring ecosystem services. Virtual fences are a technology that can improve animal welfare and reduce labor costs for farmers by allowing them to control the movement of their livestock without physical barriers. Virtual fences use electronic collars that deliver audio cues, vibrations, or electric shocks to the animals when they approach a boundary that is marked by an electronic signal. The animals learn to avoid the boundary and stay within the desired area. One of the benefits of virtual fences is that they can improve animal welfare by allowing them to graze more naturally and access fresh pasture. This can enhance their health, nutrition, and behavior, as well as reduce stress and aggression. Virtual fences can also prevent animals from entering sensitive areas such as waterways, roads, or crops, where they could cause environmental damage or pose a safety risk. Another benefit of virtual fences is that they can reduce labor costs for farmers by eliminating the need for building, maintaining, or removing traditional fences. Virtual fences can also save time and money by enabling farmers to rotate their animals through different pastures or bring them in for milking with the touch of a finger. According to some sources, virtual fencing can reduce labor costs by over 25% and increase land utilization by up to 30%. Virtual fencing is a promising technology that can revolutionize the cattle industry and save the environment by improving animal welfare and reducing labor costs for farmers. However, there are also some challenges and limitations that need to be addressed, such as the ethical concerns of using electric shocks on animals, the reliability and security of the electronic signals, and the social acceptance and regulation of the technology. Virtual fencing is not a one-size-fits-all solution, but rather a tool that needs to be adapted to different contexts and objectives.